Okay folks, today we have a 2016 certified pre-owned Honda Civic EXT in the coupe. This vehicle is a gorgeous lime green color, very rare color. Also, you're gonna have some moonroof features. You're also gonna have the fog lights and the Honda lane watch. Let's take a closer look at some of the interior features. Okay folks, take a look at the trunk here. You'll notice you got an incredibly deep trunk with a spare tire in the back as well. Moving to the back seat area. Decent amount of space in the back seat. You're gonna have the two-tone cloth interior, the gray and the black. And taking a look at the front seat area, this is gonna have Bluetooth capabilities. You do have heated seats in this vehicle because it is the EX model. You're also gonna have the 1.5 turbo along with the steering controls with the volume controls also. Okay, everybody, come on down to 115 Lenz Rd to Delaney Honda in Indiana, PA, and check out this just-in 2016 certified pre-owned Honda Civic EXT. This vehicle is a coupe, folks, automatic transmission. You're also going to have the Honda lane watch feature, heated seats, and a moonroof. You'll be riding in style these coming fall and winter months. Come check it out and come see me trust it when you do. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.